In this video, I will show you how to send money from Revolut to the Philippines. So step number 1 is to go and open up the Revolut app. After opening it up, just click on Payments in the bottom. From here, go and click on the plus icon in the top right. Now here, click on Send International. Then for the destination, we want to send to the Philippines, so simply type in Philippines. Then here, simply go and choose how much you would like to send and how you would like to pay for it, so which balance you are going to use. For me, it's set to my main euro balance, which is what I want to do. Then for the transfer method, you will see it set to bank account for me, but there are a few more options that you can try out, but for me a bank account is most convenient. So then after entering all of these details, simply click continue. And after you click continue, you will need to enter the recipient's bank details, and you may need to provide some additional details about your recipient, such as their name, and then simply go and confirm that you would like to transfer that money to the Philippines, and then Revolut will send it to the recipient for you. Now, one tip that I have is that the fees are usually higher on the weekends. So I recommend sending the money Monday to Friday if that's a possibility, because then you will usually pay less fees. So now you know how to send money from Revolut to the Philippines. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.